Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Susmit Sanke. Today I'm gonna unbox a Samsung curved monitor display, and I have this workroom so messed up. I'm gonna add and this screen together, and I need to change some lights. So let's start from the changing lights. And my workroom is so messed up. I need to fix this. I need something else. I'm not reaching to that height. Have somebody waiting on you. I have some Nanolith. What bulbs are they? Yeah, A19 bulbs. So just you can access through the phone, change whatever color you want. Okay, so the 3 bulbs on it, and those are scanners. So if I scan this from my phone, these things are connect. All 3 bulbs got connected. Now it's time to scan this and connect to my phone. Okay, my bulbs are set up. Yep, it works. Let me do the white. Yep. Time to cover up my these are set up. Now it's time to unbox the Samsung curved LED display. See what I got. This look like it's just a cover for something. Yeah, this one is heavy, so it's probably a stand. Got the power cable and probably HDMI. Yeah, power and look like it's a HDMI cable. What's that? Oh, it's another stand. Before connecting display, oh, by the way, display is here. All the stuffs, accessories, whatever is it. I have another display, but before that I need to clean the table. I had so much trash on my table. Cleaning is hard work. Whew. Now still I have so many cables from the front side and to take everything from back side. Got the plate. Is probably this plate goes. I really don't know where this plate goes. Okay, now probably I got this. Yeah, this thing goes like this over here, but before that, no, they gave a screw, so I don't know. Now this thing goes inside of this thing. Okay. Here. Finally it's done. So let me tell you what connection they have it. They have it audio in, display in, then HDMI, that's VGA, and that's power cord. And probably after connecting all the cable goes from over here. So I'll move my monitor over there and try to connect all the cables. Let me see if it actually works or not. Okay. Yeah, this one like this. Okay, connected the power cable, but they give me HDMI to HDMI. It has a HDMI, but my CPU that doesn't have a HDMI. But no worries, I have the other connector with it. So you can say I have display to VGA cable. So I'm gonna try to connect display to VGA. I don't want to connect any cable right now, so I just want to put the flap. Okay, it's nice. Here are my two monitors. Both are connected. Let me see both are working or not. If it's working, I'm gonna add the third one too. Right here. Both are connected. Now it's time to add third one. I don't know about the third one because third one only has a DP6 port. I really don't know DP6 port is work or not with the monitors. I try connecting, but only two monitors. Third one is not connecting is because I have the DB9 connector and I don't think so DB9 works with the monitors. It's only work with the sound and all the stuff. So probably I need to buy one USB to HDMI or something display, so I can connect this monitor. So for now I'm gonna use only 2 monitors. I'm gonna do something about this on Sunday. So that's it for today. I need to clean my room. It's super messed up right now. You can see everything is everywhere. I couldn't even find my own stuff. Here are my all 5 displays. One is not working, but I'm gonna fix this soon. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video below. See you.